Hello, everyone, and welcome to our journey into the amazing world of lemons. You know that bright yellow, tangy fruit that adds a burst of flavor to your dishes? Well, it's time to discover just how much it can benefit your health thanks to its rich nutrient profile. So let's dive in and explore the wonderful nutrients found in lemons. Vitamin C. An essential nutrient for a strong immune system, vitamin C is abundant in lemons. Just one lemon provides about 51% of the daily recommended intake. Plus, it supports iron absorption, helping prevent anemia. Antioxidants. Lemons are packed with powerful antioxidants like hesperidin and diasmin, which protect your cells from free radicals and oxidative stress. This reduces inflammation and lowers the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Citric acid. You know that zingy, sour taste of lemon? That's citric acid at work. It aids digestion by stimulating the production of digestive juices and preventing constipation. And hey, healthy digestion means better nutrient absorption, leading to overall health improvement. Impressive, right? Let's shine a spotlight on the incredible duo of vitamin C and antioxidants found abundantly in lemons, and how they fortify your body's defenses. Vitamin C, think of it as your immune system's trusty ally, defending your body against infections and illnesses. When you consume vitamin C-rich foods like lemons, your body produces more white blood cells, which fight off harmful pathogens. Additionally, vitamin C encourages the production of antibodies, which further reinforce your immune system. In short, it's a key player in your body's defense network. When your body is exposed to environmental pollutants, toxins, and stress, free radicals form and wreak havoc on your cells. Enter antioxidants, which neutralize these harmful free radicals and protect your cells from damage. In turn, this lowers inflammation and prevents diseases like cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. Simply by adding delicious, tangy lemons to your diet, you can empower your immune system, fight disease, and live a healthier life. Nature truly provides us with the tools we need to thrive, doesn't it? So, go ahead and enjoy a glass of lemon water or a dash of lemon zest in your next meal to take advantage of these incredible benefits. It will uncover how the humble lemon can be a powerful ally in keeping your heart healthy and strong. Intrigued? Let's dive in. You see, lemons are chock full of vitamin C, antioxidants, and flavonoids, which are crucial for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Now, what does science have to say about this? Well, research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher vitamin C intake is associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. Pretty amazing, right? Moreover, the antioxidants in lemons protect your blood vessels from oxidative damage and reduce inflammation, helping to prevent plaque buildup in your arteries. This, in turn, lowers the risk of heart attacks and strokes, as shown by a study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences. The flavonoids in lemons possess anti-inflammatory and antiplatelet properties, which further contribute to heart health according to research in the Journal of Nutritional Science. So, why not give your heart some extra love by incorporating lemons into your daily routine? Whether it's squeezing fresh lemon juice over your salad, sipping on lemon water, or adding a dash of lemon zest to your meals, you'll be doing your heart a huge favor while enjoying a burst of tangy goodness. You've probably heard about the wonders of citric acid in lemons, but did you know it's a secret weapon for good digestion? Let's break down the science behind it. Citric acid. This natural compound in lemons acts as a digestive catalyst, stimulating the production of gastric juice. This, in turn, helps break down food efficiently, ensuring smooth sailing through your digestive tract. Healthy digestion. Consuming lemon can be a great way to maintain a healthy digestive system thanks to its ability to increase stomach acid production. Research in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism shows that citric acid promotes nutrient absorption, ensuring you get the most out of your meals. Constipation relief. Struggling with irregular bowel movements? The citric acid in lemons stimulates your colon's muscle contractions, gently pushing waste through your system and relieving constipation. This natural remedy is much gentler on your body than harsh laxatives, and your gut will thank you. So next time you want to give your digestion a little boost, reach for a lemon. Morning ritual? Kickstart your day with a glass of warm lemon water to hydrate and awaken your digestive system. Salad dressings? Whip up a simple vinaigrette with lemon juice, olive oil, honey, and a pinch of salt for a healthy, flavorful addition to your salads. Lemon-infused dishes? From lemon garlic shrimp to lemon rosemary chicken, adding a splash of lemon juice to your meals enhances the flavors and provides those fantastic health benefits. Lemon desserts. Satisfy your sweet tooth with lemon-based treats like lemon bars, lemon poppy seed muffins, or lemon sorbet. Veggie Boost. Squeeze lemon juice over steamed or roasted veggies to bring out their natural flavors and increase nutrient absorption. Tea time. Add a slice of lemon to your favorite herbal tea for a refreshing twist and an extra dose of vitamin C. Now, don't worry if you have specific dietary preferences or needs. Lemons are incredibly versatile. Gluten-free, try almond flour lemon cookies. Vegan, whip up a luscious lemon coconut cream pie. Paleo, lemon garlic roasted cauliflower is your new best friend. Choosing the perfect lemons. Go for lemons that are bright yellow in color, firm to the touch, and slightly glossy. Avoid lemons with soft spots or wrinkly skin, as these may be overripe or spoiled. A little trick: the heavier the lemon, the juicier it will be. Storing lemons for maximum freshness. Keep lemons at room temperature, away from direct sunlight, for up to a week. Refrigerate them in a sealed plastic bag for up to 4 weeks to prolong their lifespan. Once you've cut into a lemon, wrap the exposed part tightly with plastic wrap, or store it in a small airtight container and place it in the fridge. Bonus tip: to get the most juice out of your lemons, give them a gentle roll on the counter with moderate pressure. This helps release the juices and makes squeezing much easier. Today we're mixing things up, quite literally, as we explore fantastic recipes and combinations featuring our star ingredient, the vibrant, zesty lemon. Get ready to elevate your culinary game and experience even more incredible health benefits. Lemon water. We've all heard about this classic, but did you know that sipping on lemon water throughout the day not only aids digestion, but also boosts your vitamin C intake? That's a win-win. Lemon and honey. These two powerhouses make an excellent combination for soothing sore throats and boosting your immune system. Simply mix lemon juice with honey and warm water or tea for a comforting and healing elixir. Lemon garlic dressing. Whisk together lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, and a touch of salt for a heart-healthy antioxidant-rich dressing. Drizzle it over your favorite salads or roasted veggies to take them to the next level. Lemon and ginger. This dynamic duo can work wonders for your gut health. Steep fresh ginger and lemon slices in hot water for a comforting and digestion-friendly tea. Lemon berry smoothie. Blend lemon juice, berries, a banana, and almond milk for a nutrient-packed smoothie that's bursting with flavor. Loaded with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, this tasty treat is sure to keep you feeling energized. There you have it, folks. These amazing lemon recipes are sure to delight your taste buds and supercharge your health. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious and nutritious recipes. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment below to share your favorite lemon-inspired creations. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.